Hello students, this question appeared in NEET 2015. Okay, so let's read the statement. 20 gram of magnesium carbonate sample decomposes on heating to give carbon dioxide and 8 gram of magnesium oxide. What will be the percentage purity of magnesium carbonate in the sample? Okay, you are having compound magnesium carbonate in the quantity 20 gram, right? And when it decomposes, it gives carbon dioxide and 8 gram of magnesium oxide. And they are saying what will be the percentage purity of magnesium carbonate in the sample. Okay, so first of all, we'll see the reaction when magnesium carbonate decomposes. It will give MgO plus carbon dioxide. In this case, what we will do, we'll firstly find out the molar masses of magnesium carbonate, magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide. First, we will find the molar mass of magnesium carbonate, right? If I'll add the atomic masses of magnesium, carbon and oxygen, it will give me molar mass, right? So atomic mass of magnesium, they have given you the atomic mass, that is 24 gram per mole, right? Plus carbon's atomic mass, that is 12 gram per mole. Now atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16 gram per mole. We are having 3 atoms of oxygen, so it will be into 3. So 24 plus 12 plus 16 into 3, 48. Okay. So 24 plus 12 plus 48, that will be 84 gram per mole. This is the molar mass of magnesium carbonate, right? Now molar mass of MgO, magnesium oxide. Now you just have to add the atomic mass of magnesium plus oxygen. So atomic mass of magnesium is 24 gram per mole plus atomic mass of oxygen 16 gram per mole. So when you'll add 24 into 16, it will be 40 gram per mole, right? Now last one is molar mass of carbon dioxide. So atomic mass of carbon 12 gram per mole plus atomic mass of oxygen 16 gram per mole. We are having 2 atoms of oxygen, so it will be into 2. So 12 plus 16 into 2, that will be 32 gram per mole. Now 12 plus 32, it will be 44 gram per mole. Okay, now we are having molar masses of every compound. We'll use the molar masses to find the exact composition, right? So when 84 gram per mole of magnesium carbonate decomposes, it will give 40 gram per mole of magnesium oxide and 44 gram per mole of carbon dioxide. Right, now we'll use unitary method. So you can say 40 gram per mole of MgO will be produced by MgCO3 equal to 84 gram per mole. That means 84 gram per mole magnesium carbonate produces 40 gram per mole of magnesium oxide, right? Now we'll say 8 gram of magnesium oxide will be produced by magnesium carbonate equal to 84 gram per mole divided by 40 gram per mole into 8 gram. Okay, so cancel gram per mole with gram per mole, right? So 8 with 40, right? So when you'll divide 84 by 5, you'll get 16.8 gram. That means 16.8 gram magnesium carbonate produces 8 gram of magnesium oxide. Now 16.8 gram is magnesium carbonate, so rest will be the impurity. You can say percentage purity of MgCO3 equal to the pure magnesium carbonate, right, divided by total magnesium carbonate into percentage 100, right? So you'll cancel gram with gram, right? So this 0 with 20 is 0, right? So when you'll divide 16.8 with 2, you will get 8.4 into 10, right? So you should have percentage sign also. So percentage, when you'll multiply 8.4 with 10, that will be 84%. That means percentage purity of magnesium carbonate is 84%.